Hi everyone, it's Hannah and welcome to another video. Today, well, not today. Tomorrow, I'm going back to uni again. I have a French exam and I need to take it because I don't want to fail. I'm not in uni to fail. I'm in uni to waste my money. Well, actually my parents' money. On my second uni vlog, I tried to film the intro just as I had woken up and just... It wasn't cute. My brain wasn't functioning at that time. So I'm just gonna do it right now, trying not to embarrass myself again. But I always do that, so it doesn't really matter anymore. Today is a lazy makeup day. Honestly, the only thing I did was put highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes, and that's literally it. I called it a day after that. I said, fuck it. I just finished my exam. It went pretty well, I would say. I'm in a random class right next to the class in which I took the exam. Also, I'm sorry I'm whispering. This is ASMR. I'm not vain.
Hola Jen, bom dia. Acabé de terminar el examen. Vamos. I'm the boy.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
And she's the girl.
No, I'm not.
No, she's not.
She is, absolutely.
She's too nice.
I'm married. I'm an angel.
Yeah, she is.
Satanás.
You look very pretty today.
Ay, no, es normal.
When she gets nervous, she starts mumbling and rambling. I do that too, but I stutter, and you do not.
Yo también tartamudeo una mica, ¿eh?
Hair update. Anne just cut her hair. She looks just so beautiful. Come on, Korean style. Let's all sim for her in the comments.
Hello.
She has my wallet.
I'm gonna steal everything that's inside.
Thank you so much.
Hola.
Hi, I'm Leila. She's so nice. I'm a bit bummed because we don't really share many classes together. She's very funny, honestly.
Thank you so much. You're the intelligent one here.
Why the fuck you lying?
From us too, so.
I think my subscribers wouldn't agree with that, but okay. I'm just gonna take it. Another introduction.
Hi, my name is Noelia, and she never remembers my name.
Yes, I do!
No.
Listen, it was an honest mistake. It happened once, only once.
Well, she's so cute, and I like it.
Oh, I like you too. She misspelled my name.
Because you didn't remember my name.
This is a love-hate relationship.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is. I think I fell in love. I'm so happy. I just found the love of my life. Okay, so how do you do this?
So you take this and you do y doblas a palo.
Wow.
Fantastic, baby.
Wow, fantastic, baby.
So how does it feel being a pop star, Rebecca? Oh my god, this one is so cute. I love this mint color, this mint shade. It literally looks like the one I'm wearing right now. And this is very futuristic. Why don't you explain to me what you just did?
Ordered from the app of Pull&Bear.
Are you from the 22nd century?
Gen Z.
We are here with Naim again.
Hello, my friends of the world. I wish you a very good exam times. You'll win.
My name is Angie. I don't know. I'm a clown, and
This is my house tour. I hope you enjoy it. Oh wait, I wanted to go there.
Mission failed.
Em poso al teu costat.
Dale.
Thank you for pushing me. I love you.
Ya lo empujo yo.
No, 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 tú no. Para, Dani, por favor, Dani, no estás tampoco. Marc, moltes felicitats! Que has tret matrícula d'honor!
No m'ho crec.
I has aconseguit pràctiques a l'Omneo!
Mare meva, en català.
Mira la Sílvia, que guapa! This pizza's a bit plain, isn't it? It's literally what? Cheese and tomato.
yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, but okay. Okay, fair enough. Oh, ASMR.
Puta, mare.
I got poke. It's Hawaiian, by the way. It's poke. It's not pokey. It's not poke. It's not poke. It's poke. Mark got poke too. Because we are people of culture, we are having lunch right next to the museum. It's the Modern Design Museum. Arigato, Tom. So I just got back home and the vlog is not ending here yet because this morning Leah sent me a message telling me that she could hang out. So we're gonna go watch the sunset probably in about 2 or 3 hours. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be editing a video. Before leaving, let me show you my OOTD. The socks are black. It matches the Nike sign. I got loads of compliments on it today. I love pleated skirts. I have an unhealthy obsession. I'm here with Mia. She's my oldest friend, the person that has put up with me the longest. That's a big thing. We were here to see the sunset and the sun is setting that way. So it's been a huge fail, but whatever. So I got some ramen. I was about to say it in Korean. And then takoyaki and some gyoza. Leah got some udon. Oh my god, I look terrible. So now we're finished eating and this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've stayed until the very end, please comment on the diamond emoji. If you're willing to subscribe to my channel, please click on the notification bell so you will receive a notification every single time I upload a new video and you don't want to miss it. Bye. Say bye.